is just Mike, and today I'm showing you the BMX bike check. The heart of it is a Redline Saintech frame. The only stock parts are the seat, the seat post, and the cranks, and also the bars. My grips are some grips that I got at the bike shop. They don't come with bar ends, cause like in there where the bar ends go, it's like bent a little, so I have to buy new bars. I got a Black Ops stem. These are just parts that are cheap. Later on, I'm gonna be buying some better parts. My headset is a Colt headset, $25 integrated. My forks are some Fit Bike forks. Fit Bike. My tires are Laser Grip tires. They are 20 times 2.30. They almost hit the fork right there. I can barely check my finger. These are some pedals that I just had laying around. Some crappy Haro pedals. I'm gonna buy some Odyssey Twisted PCs. My sprocket is a Fit Bike. My chain is a KMC. And my back ram is a Mission React ram. And a same 20.230 back tire. And that's my bike check. I'll make it better with the new pedals, a better stem, and I can buy a bottom bracket kit for my bike. Okay, and my stickers. This Bangs Rasta color BSD. Another this Bangs and allergy. I found this one at Genius. This is badass. I got it. It's a lion and I don't know what those called that, but. And I'll buy a pit straight cable from Odyssey, $30 later on. Yeah, that's my bike check. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and goodbye.